Hi everyone. So in this video we'll solve most popular question, second highest salary. It's a level medium. So let's read the prompt now. So table name is employee and it has two columns, ID integer, salary is also integer. We can see it here. ID is 1, salary is 100, ID is 2, 200, 300. So ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table, and each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. So it is like an employee who is having his ID as 1 and his salary is 100. So write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null, return none in pandas. Okay, so we are writing in SQL, so we don't have to return null. So let's look at the table. So if the table has salary as 100, 200, 300, then the first highest or the maximum salary here is 300, but we have to return the second highest salary, so we have to return 200. Okay, so I have created the create table statement and insert statement here, and this is our table ID and salary. So now let's see what we have to figure out. So let's break the problem into multiple subsections. So first, if I want to see which is the maximum salary, so what I can do is I can write that if I order it by salary and in descending order, then I should get 10,000 at top, 10,000 at top, and then null at last. So we are getting that. So in this case we have to return 9,000 because 10,000 is first highest salary and ID number 7 and 10 both have 10,000, but we have to return second highest, so that is ID number 9 with a salary of 9,000. So if I look into this one, the very first process which come into my mind is if I can get first highest salary and then if I get the second salary or the salary which is less than the first highest salary but is immediate to the next salary, then that is my answer, right? So if suppose I get a salary 10,000 and if I remove the 7 and 10, then this is my next second highest salary or the highest salary among these records. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to query maximum salary from employee from employee table. So if I get the maximum salary, so it is 10,000, right? Now I want second maximum. So what I can do is I can use this query in a subquery. So I can write select, or I can just copy paste max of salary from employee, where my salary, the salary should be less than the first highest salary, right? So if I query this, then let's see what I'm getting. I'm getting 9,000. So that is expected answer. Let's see if LeetCode is going to like the solution or not. So, and then we also need to give it alias second highest salary. So in this query we are using subquery. So test case 1 is clear. So 200 is our second highest salary. Let's see what was test case 2. So if ID is 1 and there is only one employee with a salary, then we should return null, and the query is returning null. Let's submit it. So LeetCode liked our answer. Let's try to solve it with second approach, so which is using window functions. So window function is nothing but creating a window over the table. So if we want to just create another separate column without entering the actual tables, then we can use the window function. So it has a very basic syntax. Like if I have ordered, I'll query this again. So if I query it again, 1000, if I rank it, 1000 should be ranked 1, this 10,000 again should be ranked 1, and 9,000 should be ranked 2. So if somehow I can rank these salaries, and then I can quickly fetch the salary where the rank is 2, right? So the syntax here is, I want dense rank. Now there are 3 main window functions in the ranking: dense rank, rank, and row number. Row number just gives the subsequent numbers in the numbers, and then rank is used to rank the salaries or any of the data, but it skips the next salary. So suppose if this 10,000 will get rank 1, this id 10 will also get rank 1, but 9,000 will get rank 3, so it will skip rank 2. And dense rank, it keeps the order. So 10,000 will get rank 1, this 10,000 will get rank 1, and this now 9,000 will get rank 2. So this is the basic difference between dense rank, and row number. So here we want to rank, and we also don't want to skip the gaps, so we will use dense rank. So the syntax is dense rank. Over means, so this is known as function, and the over clause is known as window. So over, we want to order by salary in the descending order, and let's give it as alias as dnk. Let's see if we are getting expected result or not. Okay, it is DAC. So if we see, we are getting rank, and 10,000 got rank 1, both of this got rank 1, and 9,000 got rank 2. So what we can do now is, we want to fetch this rank, we want to fetch the value where the rank is 2. So what we can do, we can use CTE, also known as common table expression. So what this is used to reuse the table results. So I can put with CTE as this table, and now I will query from CTE. So this is the temporary table. I am querying from temporary table, but I want to query salary, where this dnk equals to 2. So if I query this, I should get 9,000. So now I'll just reference from CTE temporary table, where dnk should be 2. Now we saw that if I query this one, okay, for some reason it is not, this browser is not supporting this query, but we know that we were seeing 10,000 values for 2 IDs, but we only want to return distinct salary, so I have to use max of salary. So if I use this and query it here, okay, so we have to give it an alias as second highest, and then test cases are getting accepted, and let's see. Okay, now